quick little rundown of this bike here. It was originally a Roadmaster Walmart bike of some kind, and I found out that the frame was steel, and without my angle grinder, please ignore my terrible welds, the welder was in the wrong outlet, but without my angle grinder and a flap wheel and all that fun stuff that I would have used, I had to use a Sawzall and a wire brush, and I chopped the frame and lowered it about 2.5 inches. I just used some 1/8" steel and then some random hardware I found in my shop. And then on the front, I got a bigger fork by about 2.5, 3 inches, I want to say. I think it was 3 inches. Also ignore the overspray on the stanchions. That's going to get wiped off here pretty soon. I welded on new bearings. Turned upside down a normal stem spacer. I did the factory bearings from, I want to say it was a different bike. No, it was from this bike. I did a specialized stem. I think that's what they're called. And then some kind of beach cruiser bars I got for $5. Then I used a 21 or 22 millimeter socket and a 10 millimeter. I don't remember what the thread is. I want to say it's like 1/8" by something, or 8 by something. It's a metric thread. Clamped the top bolt down, tightened this down, and then clamped the bottom one on the stem so it would all smash together. Then it's got an 80cc 2-stroke engine with the banana pipe that I got for $20. An old moped license plate, just zip tied on. It used to have a bolt, but the bolt came out, and I just used the engine mount to bolt that on. It still has the original bolt back there. I just barely painted the frame, and it got all scratched up, and my brother spilled gas on it, so ignore that. You're ignoring a lot of things here. But yeah, I deleted the shifters just for simplicity and stuff, because I don't use them, and it kind of just fell into whatever gear it wanted. So yeah, it's super clean up here. I've got to adjust the brake. I've got a new handle for this, and the reason I got this fork is because I can run a hydraulic disc brake that I already have for it. I'm just waiting on the skewer, the axle, to come, and then some hardware for mounting it. Because I've already got the disc and the wheel. I've got a downhill rear tire. It's a little bit worn out, so it'll be fun for doing burnouts and loose dirt. And then I've got another front tire. It's I don't remember what brand it is, but yeah, that's a little rundown of it. It's a little ripper. I'll start it up for you to hear again. It sounds pretty good. It might be really loud on camera, just because the way the microphone likes to pick this thing up. But yeah, super red happy. I did go a little heavy on the oil this time, on accident, so it's a little bit smokier, and the exhaust kind of came loose, so it's a little bit wobbly. But yeah, other than that, it's a unit.